I would like to introduce the SEM manual. The equipment used, from left to right, are the SEM, the computer, and the sputter. Let me start by explaining how to use the mini sputter. The mini sputter, a product by SEC, makes gold coating easy and efficient. The power button is located on the back right side of the main unit. Push it up to turn it on. There are adjustment sections for display, vacuum, current, and timer. Press the Edit button to adjust the time. After setting the time, load the sample and press the Start button to coat the target. Before coating the sample, you need to attach it to the SEM jig. The jig consists of two types, top view and vertical view, as well as one with an adjustable angle. To attach the sample to the jig, use the black double-sided tape from the toolbox on the right side of the SEM equipment. After attaching the sample to the jig, coat the target using the sputter. Now, I will explain the SEM equipment. Before starting operations, please make sure to fill out the usage log. The main power switch is located on the back of the equipment. Slide it up to turn the power on. After turning on the main power, press the front power button to start the equipment. Always close the front door after loading the sample to prevent contamination. The internal chamber must also be kept closed at all times to maintain a vacuum state. I will now explain the program. Run the program and select the user. Move the mouse to the top left of the screen to access the Settings menu. Please wait a moment while the program loads. Press the Vent button to load the sample. Do not force it open. Once the chamber is fully ventilated, it can be opened with minimal force. Please open it only until it slightly catches. It is best to load the sample facing the left side of the SEM. Please use gloves or tweezers to load the sample. After loading the sample, press the XYZ button to reset the stage to the home position. The coordinates will automatically reset in about 30 seconds. Next, press the H button to execute the tilt home. Next, we will configure the navigator settings. Press the Del button to delete previously saved images and use the Pose button to move the sample. Press the Snap button to capture an image of the sample. Then, press the Center button to reset the X-axis coordinate position to its initial setting. Afterwards, close the vacuum chamber and press the Vac button to establish the vacuum. Once the vacuum is established, the Run button will become active. Adjust the magnification by scrolling the mouse wheel up or down. Start with the minimum magnification in the initial state. At the lowest magnification, adjust the brightness, contrast, and other settings, then gradually increase the magnification to measure the sample as desired. Click the contrast and bright buttons and fine-tune the settings by moving the mouse left and right. In the bottom left corner, there is the navigator function. You can easily move to your desired location by double-clicking. You can also easily navigate by double-clicking on the screen. Zoom in and zoom out can be adjusted using the mouse wheel. After zooming in, press the Focus When button to adjust the focus. For a clear measurement, change the Z-stage value from the initial 35 to 15. Once you locate the desired position of the sample, adjust the magnification to set the appropriate scale. Adjust the ACC and LESS settings as needed. Once the desired position, magnification, and focus settings are complete, press the photo button to capture the measurement. Play back at double speed. Once the measurement is complete, press the two-arrow button to load the saved images, and then click the Save button to save them. Afterwards, measure values such as angles or sizes on the saved images. Afterwards, press the EXP button to save the measurements. To finish, press the Stop button to turn off the electron gun. Press the Vent button to remove the sample. Afterwards, close the cover and wait for a while. Once the vac button is activated, press it to re-establish the vacuum. When the vac button is activated, press it to establish the vacuum. When the vacuum is established, press the X button in the top right corner to exit the program. After exiting the program, press the front power button to turn off the equipment, and then switch off the main power at the back. This concludes the SEM imaging manual. Thank you.